First oil change, 350Z.
What'd I say with the camera? It makes a huge difference.
First oil change, 350Z. Better?
Because you can't put...
So we got some car parts today. We have the camber arm and the tow arm. We got ISRs, and then of course we got the rear and the front tires. We do have to still wait for the wheels for those. And we'll be putting these on now. It's the new knuckle we got. So we're replacing this.
It's just like...
So we lined up the knuckle with the hub. Now it's just time for reassembly.
These are 17 no bolts. All of these are 17. And the caliper bolts are 19. It's tripping me out.
Why?
That's what it is. Yeah, I know it's where it goes. It's not screwing in. It's not? No, I got it. It's screwed in. I got it. No, I got it. They're 19. Oh, put the impact in.
Yeah. So we finished assembling the knuckle back on. And then the first thing you want to do, just because you have so much room and it's easier, is we're going to do the arm that replaces the bucket. Then we're going to do the
Camber arm.
And then once that's assembled, we'll go on the other side and then we'll put this back on last. See that again?
I'm going to put the brakes back on after. Where's this little pin? We can't lose that pin.
You can go a little more.
So I go a lot more. Look. See?
Just a little bit. It's like 5 turns.
It's righty tighty.
Yeah.
It's the opposite though.
It's good. I think it's good.
Your mama say.
Yeah, it's good enough. Lock that tight, and then we're gonna measure this one off of that.
Good, right? Hopefully I don't have to twist nothing. Looks pretty good.
Looks good. Now let's do it off of this.
Just goes like this. Let's close that a little.
You're very down.
Cool. So move
Close
this
that
out of the
out.
way. Give me the, this goes with this.
Yeah.
AWC girl. Give me the camber arm. We're gonna have to measure that the other side because this is an old one.
Correct.
My old one got yeeted.
I went a little bit too much of a yada.
My other 2 wheels. Oh.
Everything's looking good.
No, we already have one out in the package.
I don't know which size which. Do you think it matters?
Alright, we're gonna take this one out on this side and measure it properly.
Alright.
These 217s? No. Let me take a sip of my Jesus juice over here.
19.
Sick ass. Take this. Lose your mind.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot better. I ate it.
I eat them. Oh, almost says.
You're talking about other stuff. He says that.
Huh?
Watch your foot. Your butt.
Why?
Your butt, not your foot. I said foot back. Are you kidding me?
I'm a bodybuilder.
It has a different bend to it, so I think the length is going to be exactly the same.
Like this.
Close enough.
Just get longer. I'm gonna explain how to adjust the camber arm. All right. So this stays with this one to lock it in because this does not need to be unscrewed. The way you adjust these is you twist the body, right? It makes it lower, left makes it tighter. And you match it up with whatever they need to do. We're just doing this now so we can drive the car and not have horrible alignment. It's gonna be bad, but not horrible.
We'll get it.
And then this locks it in. And once it's like that, it's locked in. And everything won't move. But I'm pretty sure this is it.
We also should build shelves so that we can put all the.
So give me the other camber arm and then the adjustable wrench.
Oh, where'd that come from?
And give me the adjustable wrench. Yes. Oh.
No.
I know. I'm making sure then.
So if it wasn't for the fact that the coils were supposed to come in yesterday,
We'd be done today with everything.
yeah,
The diff.
and UPS said we'll be there at 1, and then at 11:50 we weren't here, so they sent it back, and then we get another email that they're gonna be here today at 11:50, and they never showed up. So hopefully Monday. If not, I gotta call and find out what's going on. But we would have been done, and then just waiting for the wheels and the lower radius arm for the side I messed up. Lower radius arm comes Monday. Coils come Monday.
That's full eBay name. Lower radius arm.
Huh? That's the full eBay name. I'm just reading what I read. I'm saying it.
I know, I'm just saying.
And then wheels on Wednesday, but I leave to New York. If you get the wheels like tired and balanced, I'll
Tired?
put the tires on the wheels and get them balanced.
That's a good way of saying it. Tired.
Tired and balanced.
It was fucking tired.
What, you tired those bad boys? Tired yesterday. And then when I get back, we'll fit them on. Because I want to be here for that, sorry.
Highway rubbish.
Oh. Now it's on.
It just keeps passing that point.
Not anymore. Not too worried about it. I don't remember washers coming out with
You're
that.
right. I thought I was looking at the wrong thing. Alright, now we're just gonna yug it back on. Get the impact, put the impact. No, wait. I'm stupid, sorry. I gotta do both sides. Where's the bolt for this?
Right there? Yeah.
Can I get light here? I got it.
What's up, dude?
Are you guys cold?
No, we're chilling.
Bro, I'm
Freezing?
freezing.
You sick, bro?
Right? How am I? Something's wrong with me, right?
No, it's chilly out. We're just hot from doing this all day or all night. Homie, be easy. Yeah.
Camber arm in, man. Cheers.
You're both tight down?
Yeah.
Like tight, tight?
Tight, man. We're gonna go back and check everything. You have to.
Hey, but we can show where it's going in now.
Let me the other one.
Why can't I reach? I feel weird. I feel like I can, but I can't. Do one of these. Alright, this is what we're gonna do.
Up, there you go. Yeet.
And where's the other one?
Still on this one, right?
Give me the hammer then.
Hammer it. Here.
It's almost. So, there's a bolt.
Now, how are you going to tighten it from the other side? That's what I don't understand. You're not going to get the power
You don't
draw.
need it tighten. You tighten it from this side. You just need to hold it with a wrench.
Okay, I believe you.
Where's the bolt? You guys took it out.
Tommy grabbed it.
Can't just tell me a bolt.
Yeah, okay. It's right here, Eric. It's in my pocket. I knew it was in there. I just couldn't find it in there.
Come on. Funny. So now, you do this one? No. This one? Where's the other 17? I'll just use this. Fine, it's done. It's already tight. I can't get it tighter. All right, this side is done.
Let's go. There's one.
Put the wheel back on.
One down, one to go.
You literally can put the wheel back on.
I'm not going to.
This is the Camber one. This one goes to here.
That's a lot of camber on that stock arm. Yeah?
Sorry about what?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. We did end up having to use a vice grip to hold the top part.
That's how you have to do it. You have to. So there's a thing that's supposed to be a boot.
All right, we don't care about that.
Let's not talk about it. You're supposed to. So to undo the bolt in the bottom, there's a cotter pin somewhere here. And then you have to get that bolt pulley out. You have to get vice grips and grab this smooth part. And that's the pain in the butt. But it's possible because we did it. So to put it back on, we have to do the same thing. And these are the vice grips you use. You need like the small nose ones. And then we're gonna do one of these.
Not a lefty though. I'm pretty impressed. So then, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get a shot. But
This side.
from underneath,
Right here, you gotta tighten this bolt, and there's your cotter pin that goes through it, and the cotter pin is right somewhere here.
like pointing at
That
it.
might be it. No, I think that's it.
That's not it. Oh.
You literally handed me an empty hand.
No, cotter pin.
cotter pin.
Oh!
Do you see what I see? Did it work?
I think this is just spinning.
Yeah, you're not pinching the right thing. Watch, go.
Ah, bitch.
It spun a little bit and then stopped.
I think it's in.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
So now we connect the top of the strut again. We're gonna replace these in a minute. You wanna see how easy to do coils? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, wait. Give me it again. Give me that one. That, 2. Oh, that counts?
Yeah, and then 3.
Oh.
Órale, güey.
I don't know, beat you it! I beat you it! Where's the 17, man? I had a raw heat. You see it all thin, man. Jeez.
Let me see what you got. Ooh.
Yeah.
Alright.
I should probably do this first.
It's a smart idea.
Look, see? That's why you take it off. Oh, my hand's jammed in.
Oh, safety.
And now we do this arm. And then this arm. Give me that small cotter pin you had.
Just wanted to touch with one. You guys listen to the radio so everything gets overplayed.
No.
Baby shark?
Baby shark, doo doo doo, baby.
That helps?
Alright, we're good. Might have to loosen all this stuff up to put the radius on in.
It's okay. It's not that hard. I'm not too worried about it.
I need a light back here.
Yep, I didn't like the sound.
Psych! I don't. 14 inch.
Why don't you flip all the way around so your head's there first?
I'm going, no, because
This way if the car drops on you, you do it!
fine.
You get that life insurance money.
I have life insurance on you through work.
Me? Oh. I was
He's like,
bitch, take that off.
Did you do it?
So now we're, okay, give me all those brake components behind you. Hey, Tommy, look.
Take that, it's very important.
It's not
Give me all
sagging.
3. Huh?
It's not sagging.
Whoa, it's standing up straight. Nuke knuckle.
Everything. Good luck.
Which side does it matter?
No. I see it. That's it. Boom. It's gotta be pressed in. There we go. All right. There we go. Sick. All right, last thing. The spring. One goes here.
Where's the spring?
Hold up. You got it. There you go. Is that the e-brake?
Yeah. We're good. All right, what's next?
Here we go.
Squall plate. I need lights, please. Oh, shit. I just want it. There we go. Okay. Are we actually done?
Yeah.
You're blinding me.
It's the most successful night we've had. Eric, where do you usually put your e-con?
In my bottom left drawer.
Put your mask.
There we go.
Nope.
That's it. Give me one.
And it's on.
You can put the axle in.
Just do it now.
Give me the axle.
I just think it'll be easier. That's where we'll end today. We'll end the video too with us putting this on, and that's it.
Give me 32 mil.
Starting a little bit.
See if it's the right size. Haven't been using the fluid one a lot. Powder paint.
You got it?
Well, here, dude.
That's good. It's not going nowhere. Just lock it in.
She's back together, boy.
All right, guys. So that's where we're gonna end the video today. All we need left is the radius arms.
Radius arm, just one.
Oh, the other ones. Yeah, it's because
And wheels.
and the wheels.
That's
and
it.
weld the diff. And we're gonna do all that next
Front
week.
angle.
Front angle.
Easy.
Not bad.
That's like an hour.
The call is on Monday, right?
Get the clothes on Monday. And then by Monday, I want to say the 14th, car should be built and ready to slide. So, see you guys till next time. Peace.